At a press conference held on the 23rd of May 2023, the Vice Chairman of the proscribed outfit, the Hnlc, Manbha Jyrwa and Interlocutor, Sadon Blah, had spoken on the formal talks with the state and central governments, which are part of long-awaited peace talks. Speaking on the matter, Interlocutor Sadon Blah informed that while the peace process has been initiated, the members of the Hnlc have requested the state government to not only allow a safe passage for the rest of the leaders to attend the peace talks, but also to formally agree on clauses of the amnesty so as to allow for the formal talks to take place without any sort of disruption of any form.
Formal talks last Home Minister, but I suppose that she's not down on the can do it ministry. Ini do it along in Kong Haban Parliament. She have been pushed at a formal discussion, formal demands, Haban yet, the Habitat or not part of the king when we Parliament. But when you don't know, show it a safe passage. Kampanye di mengelola urusan Indonesia peace process. Kalau kita tahu ada juga, kabar begini kita ya jiwan cu di perangkat tu mengapa di perangkat urusan itu tak ada urusan di mana penting kan amnesty. Informally lah ya agree jiwan di duta wanita amnesty. Kabar ini saya agree dengan masyarakat kerja formal talk dengan semua kampanye.
The Vice Chairman of the Hnlc, Manbha Jyrwa, during his address to the media, said that while the peace process is on, rehabilitation of members is part of secondary stage of talks wherein it will take place only after amnesty has been granted to the members of the group.
Rehabilitation kalau wana din da playa ada amnesty cukup da laya yang di meeting laya bujur bro yang mamla yang tangin sama rehabilitation. Kita kita berkongsi kan rehabilitation.
Mga gusto ko yung anong kasi sinasi akan long ke intention ni kan ada ya ban ya kerana itu nam tak ada politician package long kata ada yang malah aktif government ada contact mereka ada contact ada masing mistake issues yang mistake
amnesty tak ganti kan kamak tu kan ada kami tuan amnesty tu kemudian kumno nginyo kita freedom banyak keren bersorga kumata nginyo kita safe passage ini rupa tu kami ni kita
kita ada government kan sebab mesti government kan negotiate with the house.
In the meanwhile, the members of the Hnlc, along with the interlocutor, also informed on the status of formal talks between the band outfit and the state and central governments, which are being initiated as part of the peace process.
The status right now is we will be having formal talks very soon, in the first week of June. So after the formal talks takes place, then only we will be able to deliberate further.
See, we have had since the beginning of this peace process, we have had discussion with the including people from the ID and Home Ministry 3 times, and the latest meeting that we have is with the Home Minister of the State, Chief Secretary, in the presence of Chief Secretary and Home Secretary. Whatever deliberation that has taken place in all these talks is about the kind of breaking the ice so that the peace process can move forward.